Hey, have you ever thought about visiting Tunisia? I heard it's a beautiful country with a rich history.
Oh, definitely. I've been wanting to go there for a while now. But I've been wondering, when is the best time to visit Tunisia? I heard the weather can be quite extreme at certain times of the year.
You're right, the weather is a big factor to consider. From what I've gathered, the best time to go to Tunisia is during the spring and fall months, so that would be from March to May and September to November.
Ah, I see. So, what's so special about these months?
Well, during the spring, March to May, the weather is generally very pleasant. The temperatures are mild, not too hot or too cold, making it perfect for exploring historical sites like Carthage or the ancient city of Dougga. Plus, the landscapes are lush and vibrant due to the recent rains, so it's great for nature enthusiasts too.
That sounds amazing. And what about the fall?
The fall months, September to November, are also great because the summer heat starts to wane, and you can still enjoy warm temperatures without the scorching sun. It's a fantastic time to relax on the beautiful Mediterranean beaches and enjoy outdoor activities.
Nice. But what about summer? I've always thought of visiting during the summer months.
Summer, which is from June to August, can be quite hot, especially in the southern regions of Tunisia. While the coastal areas can be more bearable due to the sea breeze, the temperatures can still rise significantly. It's a good time for beach lovers, but you need to be prepared for the heat.
Got it. And what about winter?
Winter, December to February, is the least recommended time to visit. While the temperatures are milder compared to the scorching summer, it can still get quite chilly, especially in the evenings. Plus, some attractions might have limited hours or even be closed during this time.
Thanks for all this information. It's really helpful in planning my trip. So, if I were to choose, I'd probably aim for either spring or fall to get the best of both worlds. Pleasant weather and enjoyable activities.
Absolutely. That sounds like a great plan. Just remember to check for any travel advisories or updates closer to your travel dates to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip to Tunisia.